Question 5. In Bilschbach, the rainfall for each of the 10 days was measured. The results are summarised in the table below. So between 4.5 and 5.5, there were 4 days of rain. There were 2 days of rain between 5.5 and 6.5 millimetres. No rain with between 6.5 and 7.5. 2 days with between 7.5 and 8.5. And then 2 days between 8.5 and 9.5. Because we don't know the exact values and they're asking us to work out the mean, first thing you're going to do is find the midpoint. So the middle of 4.5 and 5.5 is 5. The middle of 5.5 and 6.5 is 6. The middle of 6.5 and 7.5 is 7. The middle of 7.5 and 8.5 is 8. The middle of 8.5 and 9.5 is 9. So when you're doing the midpoint now, you then would do 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 0 is 7. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. Because we say in there 4 days with 5 millimetres of rain, so the total will be 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 0 is 7. So total, because the mean is the total amount of rain, so you would add this column up, so 20 add 12 add 16 add 18 is actually 66. And then you would divide by the number of days. There's 10 days, it tells us up there, or you can count up this column. So the mean becomes 66 divided by 10, which is 6.6. Question 6. Water is poured into an empty rectangular tank of length 15 centimetres, width 10 centimetres, and height 12 centimetres until the tank is full. Calculate the volume in litres of the water of the tank. Volume of a tank is length times width times height of a 3-dimensional cuboid. Length times width times height. So what I'm going to do now is 15 times 10 times 12. So 15 times 10 is 150. Multiply by that by 12 and it's 1,800 centimetres cubed. But we know that's 1 centimetre cubed is the same as a little milliliter. So 1,800 centimetres cubed would then be 1,800 millilitres. Once I got 1,800 millilitres, 1,800 divided by 1,000 then is 1.8. So the answer to that question is 1.8 litres.